The National Weather Service in Harrison has issued a severe third watch for Harris, Texas, Darren, Texas, Dallas, Texas, Travis, Texas, Garland, Texas, Fort Texas. This watch is in effect at 06 a.m. Residents must stay alert if a severe thunderstorm warning was issued. Severe thunderstorm watches when conditions are favorable for the descent of severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. It doesn't mean that severe weather is imminent, but rather that you should stay alert and be prepared to take action in case severe weather warnings are issued. Now back to your normal programming.
We interrupt your radio programming to activate the emergency alert system. We have just received a report to the National Weather Service to place a few Texas counties in the severe thunderstorm watch zone. The severe thunderstorm watch is now in effect until 11:32 a.m. The watch is issued for the following counties: Williamson, Texas; Ellis, Texas; Grayson, Texas; Midland, Texas; Webb, Texas. The severe thunderstorm watch that was in effect until 10:06 a.m. Central Daylight Time was upgraded because a watch has affected more counties. Be prepared if an incoming severe thunderstorm comes by. If a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued, take cover now. Back to normal program.
Today at 11:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time, we are checking the counties in Texas. if they are on the watch zone or the warning zone. A tornado watch has been issued for Dallas and Tarrant, while the others are on the severe thunderstorm watch zone. So if you're from Dallas or Tarrant, be prepared that an emergency alert system is gonna activate in your area.
The National Weather Service in Harrison has issued a tornado watch for the following counties: Dallas, Texas and Tarrant, Texas. This watch is in effect until 1:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This replaces the severe thunderstorm watch that was in effect until 11:32 p.m. But other counties still have the severe thunderstorm watch. A tornado watch means that weather conditions are favorable for tornado formation in the specified area. It's a precautionary measure to alert people to be prepared and stay informed in case a tornado develops. Residents of Dallas and Tarrant must stay cautious if a tornado warning has been issued. Now back to normal television programming.
The weather in McKinney is clear skies. Oh, the emergency alert system message is done. When Dallas and Tarrant residents, you know what to do. Anyways, the temperature in Texas is 53 degrees. And for Palo Pinto is 59 degrees. Oh, we received a new tornado watch. The watch has been expanded. The watch has affected the following counties: Denton, Collin and Rockwell. The watch is now in effect in 1:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
The National Weather Service in Harrison has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dallas, Texas and Tarrant, Texas until 1:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time at 12:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Grapevine to near DeSoto, moving east at 40 miles per hour, hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Impact hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, McKinney, Frisco, Carrollton, Denton, Richardson, Louisville, Flower Mound, Mansfield, Rolette, Euless, DeSoto, Bedford, and Grapevine. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter indoors and stay away from windows. Repeat. The National Weather Service in Harrison has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dallas, Texas and Tarrant, Texas until 1:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Harrison has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the state of Texas until 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were observed across the state, moving rapidly eastward. These storms are capable of producing 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Expect damage to vehicles, roofs, siding, and trees. Power outages are possible. Seek shelter indoors immediately. Avoid windows and stay tuned to local news for updates. Report any damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWS. Your message should describe the event of when, where, and what time it happened. Tornado warning which is in effect until 3:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Harrison has issued a tornado warning for the state of Texas until 3:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This is a life-threatening dangerous storm. Residents must take shelter now. If a basement is available, move into the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If no basement is available, seek shelter on an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Many tornadoes were reported in each county which may cause the state of Texas to collapse. Everything on Texas is now coming to an end. Don't forget to bring important items like food, clean drinking water and more. Tune into local media outlets or internet sources for more updates.
The National Weather Service in Harrison has issued a tornado emergency for the state of Texas until 4:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Many violent tornadoes were reported in the Texas state area. Seek shelter now. Repeat. Seek shelter now. Move into an interior room on the lowest floor on a sturdy building. Avoid windows. A tornado emergency is not only a tornado warning, but an enhanced version of APDS tornado warning. A tornado emergency can be issued when a very life-threatening and dangerous tornado is spotted. Stay tuned to local media outlets and internet sources for more updates.
The emergency alert system has been activated. Please tune to Channel 5 for further details. Thank you.
National Weather Service in Harrison has issued a civil danger warning for the state of Texas, and this warning is in effect until 4:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A violent tornado that struck many Texas counties are now destroyed. If you are still in shelter, stay in the shelter until the storm passes. If you do not take shelter, you are placing your life in danger. Do not go outside. There are many tornadoes. Don't pick up your children or loved ones as they have their own shelters. Stay tuned into Now Weather Radio or internet sources for more further updates.
Chloe.
The emergency alert system has been activated. Please tune to Channel 13 for further information. Thank you. All clear. I repeat, all clear. A civil emergency message has been issued for the state of Texas, and is effective until further notice. All tornadoes have been dissipated. It's now safe to get out of your shelter. If you need assistance, call the local authorities in your area. Everything in Texas is now destroyed. Builders will try to restore Texas in the next 15 years. Now we return you to normal programming.